You can remove the headrest first. Unzip and slip on the seatback cover. Adjust the holes for the headrest. Tuck it into the seat gap. Remove the dustproof and tuck it into the seat cover. Pull them out and attach them to the cushion cover. Unfasten the fasteners and put on the baserest seat covers. Tuck them into the seat gap. Pull them out. Note: pass the buckle over the adjustment bar. Tighten the buckles under the seat and secure them. Tuck it. Fix the hook to the bottom. Tips: differences at driver's seat. Cover the headrest and put the headrest back onto the seat. Unzip and put on the seatback cover. Remember to pull out the seat belt. Tuck the edge into the seat gap. Adjust the holes for the headrest. Zip up. Pull them out and attach them to the cushion. Put on the second row seat cushion. Tuck the edge into the seat gap. Attach it into the seat gap using the hook and loop fastener. Cover the headrest and put the headrest back onto the seat. Install the armrest cover. Fit the third row backrest cover. Tuck them into the seat gap. Pull the backrest adjustment strap out through the reserved opening in the cushion. Adjust the holes for the headrest. Pull them out and attach them to the backrest. Pull the backrest adjustment strap out through the reserved opening in the cushion. Complete the installation on the other side using the same method. Unbuckle the clasp and fit the seat cushion cover. Tuck the edge into the seat gap. Pull the buckle out from behind and tuck it under the seat. Fasten the buckle and pull it tight. Tighten the black rope under the seat and secure it with a knot. Complete the installation on the other side using the same method. Cover the headrest and put the headrest back onto the seat. Fit the headrest cover and adjust the openings.